Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarush and I am a foundation level student at Advanced School FA Islamabad, and today I am doing a movie review of topic but I learned from watching Munna Bhai MBBS. Welcome back. Today I am sharing my review of the movie Munna Bhai MBBS and the valuable lesson I learned from watching it. At first glance, Munna Bhai MBBS looked like a comedy filled with funny moments and entertaining characters, but beneath the humor, it carries powerful message about compassion, humanity, respect, and the true meaning of healthcare. The story follows Munna Bhai, a man who enters medical college under unusual circumstances. Although he lacks formal medical training at first, he teaches everyone around him an important lesson that treating patients with kindness and empathy is just as important as treating their illness. The biggest lesson I learned from this movie is that patients need care, not just treatment. Modern medicine is based on science and professional skill, but the film reminds us that patients are also human being with emotion, fear, and hope. A caring conversation, a smile, or simply listening to someone can make a meaningful difference in the experience. Another important lesson is the value of kindness and empathy. Throughout the movie, Munna helps patients by making them feel respected and understood. His famous Jadoo Ki Chappi or Mama symbolizes emotional support and human connection, while a hug is not appropriate in every situation for every person. The idea behind it that compassion and emotional support humanity is a valuable reminder. The movie also teaches us not to judge people by their appearance or background. Many characters underestimate Munna because of his past, but he proves that people can grow, change, and positively influence others. This inspired me to believe that everyone deserves a second chance, and that one action defines who we are more than our past mistakes. Another meaningful lesson is the importance of balancing knowledge with humanity. Doctors need excellent medical education and professional ethics, but patients also appreciate kindness, patience, and respect. The film suggests that the biggest healthcare combines scientific knowledge with genuine compassion. The movie is full of laughter, emotional moments, and memorable characters. Its humor makes serious topic easier to understand while delivering meaningful message about friendship, forgiveness, and caring for others. Even though it is a fictional comedy, it encourages viewers to think about how simple acts of kindness can positively affect people's liver. So, thank you so much for watching my review. If you enjoyed this video and found this lesson meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more educational review and inspiring content. See you in the next video. So this is my next movie review of the topic Munna Bhai MBBS. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.